Till now, we have completed a first module, second module, and third module of environmental studies, which is a BCS 508 subject code, comes under 5th semester VTU syllabus. In this video, we are going to discuss about the module 4 MCQ based questions along with the answer. Okay, let's start. The first question: Minamata episode of Japan is due to the poisoning of mercury. So here Minamata is one of the city name which comes under Japan. Okay, so what happened due to the chemical factory releases of methyl mercury, the poisoning spread over the city. Okay, that is the reason. Next question: World Ozone Day is celebrated on September 16th. Okay, which greenhouse gas is known as a colorless, non-flammable, sweetness, odor, and laughing agent? The nitrogen oxide. You know, laughing agent gas is a nitrogen oxide. The fourth question: The term acid rain was coined in the year 1850, 1852. Okay, in the year 1852, we got that. And which of the following is not a part of a hydrological cycle? Precipitation is the answer. Sixth question: Ozone layer thickness is measured in the which unit? DU unit. The unit is DU. Okay. Acid rain has been increasing mainly due to the following above. In the sense, urbanization, industrialization, increasing in the vehicle pollution. Blue baby syndrome is caused by a contamination of water due to the nitrate. Presence of nitrate, blue baby syndrome will be occur. Okay. Uh, Ninth question: The Montreal Protocol bans the production of ozone depletion substances. Which layer of the atmosphere protects us from a harmful UV radiation? That is stratosphere. The pH below which rain is regarded as as a acid rain is a 5.6. Under 5.6, we can say it as a okay acid rain. The next question: Which radiation has the highest penetration power? Gamma rays. The is celebrated. Earth Day is celebrated every year on April 22. Which of the following is the largest sink for a carbon dioxide? Ocean. Okay. 15th question: Global warming can causes all of the above. In the sense, climate change, rise in a sea level, melting in a glaciers. The next question: Which gas contributes the maximum to the greenhouse effect? Carbon dioxide. Which phenomenon results from the excessive greenhouse gas emission? Global warming. Which international agreement deals with the climate change? Kyoto Protocol. Which of the following causes the eutrophication in a water body? Excess nutrients. Which environmental issue is caused by a CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon? Ozone depletion. Okay. Which gas is released due to the decomposition of organic water in a landfill? Methane. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Solar energy. Which environmental problem results in a skin cancer and contracts? Ozone depletion. Okay. Which pollutant is mainly responsible for the acid rain? Is sulfur dioxide. Which process removes the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere? Is photosynthesis. Which gas is known as the Mars gas? Methane. Which of the following causes the thermal pollution? Hot water discard from an industry. Which environmental issue leads to the coral bleaching? For the coral bleaching, global warming. Okay. Which treaty aims to protect the waterland? Wetland. Wetland is leads to a Ramsar Convention. Ramsar Convention. Which phenomenon increases the Earth average temperature? Greenhouse effect. Which environmental problem is caused by the excessive use of fertilizer? Eutrophication. Which gas has the highest global warming potential? Nitrous oxide. Which of the following is a major source of sulfur dioxide? Coal-based plants. Which phenomenon leads to the submergence of coastal areas? Sea level rise. Which of the following is a natural green gas? Methane is the natural green gas. Which environmental concern is associated with the melting of polar ice caps? Global warming. Which pollutant mainly causes photochemical smog? That is nitrogen oxide. Which interna- in which International Day is observed as the World Environmental Day? For the World Environmental Day, we celebrated on June 5th. Which environmental issue results from the accumulation of a toxic substance in a food chain? Biomagnification. Which substance is mainly responsible for the thinning of ozone layer? That is CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Okay. Which uh, which gas is mainly responsible for the formation of a acid rain? For this, sulfur dioxide. Which environmental problem is caused due to the excessive extraction of a groundwater? For the groundwater, in the sense, that is a land subsidence. Which type of radiation is most harmful to living organism? Ultraviolet. Okay. Which phenomenon results in a uneven distribution of a rainfall? Climate change. Which of the following is a consequences of a deforestation? Self erosion. Which environmental issue is caused by the accumulation of a plastic in the ocean? That is marine pollution. Which gas is produced due to the incomplete combustion fuel? Due to the incomplete combustion, in the sense, that is carbon monoxide. Which of the following leads to the deforestation? Overgrazing. Which environmental phenomenon causes the increased frequently frequency of an extreme weather event? Global warming. Which international agreement aims to reduce the greenhouse gas emission? Kyoto Protocol. 51st question. Which environmental issue results from the excessive burning of fossil fuels? Global warming. Which gases is releases during the volcanic eruption and contribution to the rain acid rain? Sulfur dioxide. Which environmental problem is associated with the oil spill? Marine pollution. Which phenomenon refers to the gradual increase in the earth surface temperature? Is a global warming. The next question. Which of the following is a secondary air pollutants? Ozone is the answer. Okay. Which activity helps in reducing the atmosphere carbon? For the atmospheric carbon dioxide, afforestation. Which environmental issue is caused due to the excessive use of pesticides? That is a biomagnification. Okay. Which gas is mainly responsible for the greenhouse effect apart from the carbon dioxide? Methane. Which environmental concern results in the loss of biodiversity? Habitat destruction. Which environmental issue causes the damage to monument like the Taj Mahal? Acid rain. Due to the acid rain, the monument Taj Mahal caused. Okay. Which environmental problem is mainly caused by the excessive population growth? That is the resource depletion. Which gas is mainly released from the paddy fields and wetland? That is methane. Okay. Which environmental issue is associated with the rising average global temperature? Climate changes. Okay. Which pollutant causes the damage to crop the rubber and paints? Or ozone is the reason. Which environmental concern is caused by the discharge of a hot effluents into the water bodies? Thermal pollution. Okay. Which gas is the produced during the anaerobic decomposition of organic matter? Is methane. Which environmental problem results in a reduced agricultural productivity? That is soil erosion. Which phenomenon increases skin cancer areas? That is a ozone depletion. Which environmental issues occur due to the excessive withdrawal of groundwater, land substances? Which of the following is a global environmental issue? Answer: climate change. Which environmental issue is caused due to the accumulation of solid waste in urban areas or solid waste pollution? Which gases releases during burning of coal and petroleum products? Sulfur dioxide. Which phenomenon leads to the frequent food floods and droughts? That is a climate change. Okay, which environmental issue is caused due to the excessive mining activity? That is a soil erosion. This is all about the module 4. Just you once entire video if you watch, then no need to sit by heart guys. Okay, that's it all about fourth module. Thank you.